Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to download and install the McDonald's app on your Android phone. So if you want to order food, check deals, and get rewards directly from your phone, just follow these steps. Alright, let's get started. First, find and open the Google Play Store on your device. Once the Play Store is open, tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. That's the little magnifying glass. Then tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and type McDonald's. In the search results, you should see the McDonald's app near the top of the list. It's easy to recognize because it has millions of downloads and the McDonald's logo. Tap on the McDonald's app and then tap the Install button. The Play Store will now start downloading and installing the app on your phone. This may take a few seconds depending on your internet speed, so just wait until the installation reaches 100%. Once it's done, tap Open and wait for the app to fully load. Once it's ready, you can sign in with your McDonald's account or create a new account if you don't already have one. After that, you'll be able to start browsing the menu, checking deals, and ordering food directly from your phone. And that's it. That's how you download and install the McDonald's app on an Android phone.